Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important MCQs from the novel A Tale of Two Cities written by Charles Dickens. So let's start. Question number 1. What kind of novel A Tale of Two Cities is? We know it is a historical novel. Question number 2. What is the source of the novel? Answer is The Dead Heart by Watt Phillips and The French Revolution, A History by Thomas Carlyle. Question number 3. In what year does the novel begin? Answer is 1775. Question number 4. What are the settings of the novel? Answer is London and Paris. Question number 5. Who is the carbon copy of Charles Darnay in the novel A Tale of Two Cities? Answer is Sidney Carton. Question number 6. How does Lucy react when she comes to know that his father is alive? Answer is she faints. Question number 7. What hobby did Dr. Manitee pick up in prison? Answer is shoemaking. Next question. What does Marcus do after killing Gasparson? Answer is he throws a coin to him to compensate him for his loss. Question number 9. What is the name that Deafhearts called himself and the other revolutionaries? Answer is Jacques. Question number 10. The novel was published in 1859. Next question. Where do Jarvis Lorry and Lucy go to take Dr. Manitee back to England? Answer is St. Anthony in Paris. Question number 12. What is the symbol of royal tyranny in the novel A Tale of Two Cities? Answer is Bastille. Question number 13. What is Charles Darnay tried for in England? Answer is treason. Question number 14. What does Gaspard write on the wall in Wine and Mud? Answer is blood. Question number 15. Who is Charles Darnay? Answer is a French immigrant. Next question. What does Mr. Lorry tell Lucy Manitee? Answer is her father is still alive. Question number 17. Who goes to Paris with Lucy to introduce her to her father and bring him back to England? Answer is Mr. Jarvis Lorry. Question number 18. How long was Dr. Manitee imprisoned in the Bastille? Answer is 18 years. Question number 19. What kind of figurative language is recall to life? Answer is it is a metaphor. Question number 20. After killing Marcus, Gaspard leave a note near him. What was written on that? Answer is drive him first to his tomb. Question number 21. Who was responsible for Dr. Manitee's long imprisonment? Answer is Evermond family. Question number 22. What is the title of the third book? Answer is The Track of a Storm. Question number 23. What is found in cell number 105, North Tower of the Bastille? Answer is a letter written by Dr. Manitee during his imprisonment. Question number 24. Why is Darnay acquitted? Answer is he resembles Carton. Question number 25. What does Lucy think the echoes in her house mean? Answer is people are coming to intrude in her family's life. Question number 26. Charles Darnay's moonlighting profession is teacher. Question number 27. What is the message that Mr. Lorry sends via the messenger from Tellson's bank? Answer is recall to life. Next question. What is the title of the second book? Answer is The Golden Thread. Question number 29. Monsignor is murdered by someone who calls himself Jacques. Question number 30. What is the title of the first book? Answer is Recall to Life. Next question. What does Miss Prose call Lucy Manity? Answer is My Ladybird. Question number 32. The story of the novel is of before or during the French Revolution. Question number 33. What are the opening lines of the novel? Answer is It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Question number 34. Charles Darnay and Sidney Carton are in love with Lucy Manity. Question number 35. What is the most noticeable feature of the Manity's house? Answer is the resounding echoes from the street. Question number 36. Who is the lawyer who looks remarkably like Charles Darnay? Answer is Sidney Carton. Question number 37. What does Monseigneur mean? Answer is My Lord. Question number 38. Charles Darnay does not help tumble the Bastille. Question number 39. Who is Mr. Lorry in A Tale of Two Cities? Answer is Banker. Question number 40. Monseigneur is Charles Darnay's uncle. Question number 41. The plot of the story centers around which two characters? Answer is Lucy and Dr. Manity. Question number 42. Where in London do the Manity live? Answer is Soho. Question number 43. The novel is written in Victorian period. Next question. Where do Darnay and Carton go together after the trial? Answer is a tavern. Question number 45. What does not happen on the Marquis' way home in his carriage? Answer is he stops for a meal. Question number 46. In how many weekly installments was the novel published? Answer is 31 installments. Question number 47. Which gentleman does not want to marry Lucy? Answer is Mr. Lorry. Question number 48. In which periodical the novel was published in installments? Answer is All the Year Round. Question number 49. In how many books was the novel published? Answer is in 3 books. Question number 50. Which two cities does the title refer to? Answer is London and Paris. Question number 51. What is the relationship between Dr. Alexander Manity and Lucy? Answer is father-daughter relationship. Question number 52. What was the age of Lucy when she met her father after his release from jail? Answer is 17 years. Question number 53. Where does Lucy live in England? Answer is Dover. Question number 54. Who does Lucy Manity marry? Answer is Charles Darnay. Question number 55. Who helped Lucy to meet his father? Answer is Jarvis Lorry. Question number 56. Sidney Carton's last word begins, It is far better thing I do than I have ever done. Question number 57. How does Dr. Manity recognize Lucy as her daughter? Answer is through her golden hair and blue eyes. Question number 58. Where does Jarvis Lorry work? Answer is Telson & Co. Question number 59. How many chapters are there in the novel? Answer is 45. Question number 60. What is the real surname of Darnay? Answer is Evermont. Next question. Which two cities are referred in the title? Answer is London and Paris. Question number 62. In the novel A Tale of Two Cities, which character suffers from memory loss? Answer is Dr. Alexander Manity. Next question. Who delivers the message to Mr. Lorry? Answer is Jerry Cruncher. Question number 64. Why does Dr. Manity get imprisonment? Answer is because he learned of a secret crime committed by Marquis Evermont against a woman. Question number 65. Who is the last surviving female member of the family of victim girl? Answer is Madame Defarge, her younger sister. Question number 66. What is the substance of the shadow? Answer is the events in Dr. Manity's prison journal. Question number 67. What nickname was used by the French revolutionaries? Answer is Jacques. Question number 68. The storming of the Bastille took place on 14 July 1789. Next question. Who killed Marcuse? Answer is Gaspard killed him when he was sleeping. Next question. What was the profession of Dr. Maniti? Answer is a physician. Last question. Who is known as the Jekyll in legal circles? Answer is Sidney Carton. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.